So the Unobomber's back. And today we're going to shoot some potatoes. We're going to use starting fluid for the detonation of the potato can. Say hello to my little friend. Got the trigger here. Where's your broomstick, bro?
You gotta have Bob for effect.
What?
Bob for effect. Well, gonna start out like two. That was on that movie. Oh, the Kiss movie? Rock City? You that movie? You try Rock City?
Never done it with starting fluid before. Let's see what happens.
No. Oh shit.
There it goes!
Hard like motherfucking liquid swords, harder than war, stadium tours. I am the future, DeLorean doors. Will it survive? Never
That's it. Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, nice and tight, huh? That's how you like it?
Cody, what's going on? Cody! Oh, I need to fit out. Oh, these savage.
Alright.
Yeah. Make sure you just get the vapor in there.
It's smelling alcohol. Recording?
Yep.
Right, if you want to put it. Point it straight out, make sure you know where you're aiming it. Let me record it.
You sure? I can get it.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready? 2, 1.
Cars.
I'm gonna record it just in case it fucking falls off.
Oh, there it goes.
I got
yes.
it.
That's one of the easiest parts when if you light it on fire.
Shut the fuck up! I'll fucking hit you!
What it turns the thing? Roll it! Here we go. Alright.
I got it. Got it. Got it. Got it.
We need. I want to do it in front of that truck. Huh?
There it goes!
Potato!
That looks like an R.
Yeah, it does. It looks like potato.
Sick potato.
Kinda, yeah.